At Kaiser, the ambitious American automaker that faded too soon. At Sense brand overview. Full name: Kaiser-Frazer Corporation, later Kaiser Motors. Founded 1945, Kaiser-Frazer, rebranded as Kaiser Motors in 1953. Defunct 1955, U.S. passenger cars. Production continued in Argentina until the 1970s. Headquarters, Willow Run, Michigan, USA. Co-founders, Henry J. Kaiser, industrialist, and Joseph Frazer, automotive executive. At Idiris Sedilla background founding vision. After World War II, industrialist Henry J. Kaiser, famous for his shipbuilding during the war, teamed up with Joseph Frazer, formerly of Willys Overland, to form Kaiser-Frazer Corporation. The goal was simple yet daring: create modern, affordable cars for returning American GIs in a market starved of new vehicles. Kaiser was one of the few independent brands to launch successfully in the post-war boom, competing against the big three: Ford, GM, Chrysler. At some notable Kaiser models: the Superscript 1 Kaiser Special Deluxe, 1947–a 1955. Streamlined, stylish sedans and hardtops. Spacious interiors and quality materials. Known for anatomic design, curved windshields, flush fenders. The Superscript 1 Frazer Series, 1947–a 1951. Positioned as the more upscale twin to Kaiser. Similar body designs with luxury trims. Ended when the Frazer brand was dropped. The Superscript 1 Henry J, 1950–a 1954. Compact, affordable car named after Henry J. Kaiser. Marketed as a budget vehicle, even sold at Sears under the Allstate brand. One of the earliest attempts at a true economy car in post-war America. The Superscript 1 Kaiser Darrin, 1954. America's first fiberglass-bodied sports car, even before the Corvette. Distinctive sliding doors that slid into the front fenders. Rare collector car today, only about 435 built. Dissection, innovations and design highlights. First U.S. cars with padded dashboards and pop-out windshields, early safety features. Pioneered bold marketing strategies and stylish design in the late 1940s and early 1950s. Focused on affordable luxury and safety, not high performance. At section plus-minus challenges and decline. Couldn't match the scale and pricing power of the big three. Struggled with engine development and relied on outdated technology. Sales declined by the mid-1950s due to limited dealer networks and competition. Idiris Sedilla after U.S. production. In 1953, Kaiser acquired Willys Overland and shifted focus to Jeep production. Renamed to Kaiser Jeep Corporation. Kaiser car production ended in the U.S. in 1955. Kaiser continued producing cars in Argentina, industrialized Kaiser Argentina, into the 1970s. At legacy. Although short-lived, Kaiser made a lasting impression through innovation in car safety and design. Pioneering the Henry J economy car. Producing the Darrin, a rare and revolutionary roadster. Its biggest legacy lives on through its acquisition of Jeep, which later passed to American Motors, AMC, then Chrysler, and ultimately Stellantis.